Section 1. Start with the right foot. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Front view. Section 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Restart after 22 counts. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, step change, 6, and you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. The tag, first tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tag 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the whole dance. Thank you for watching.